Hello, welcome back to Studying Science. Today we'll be quickly checking a couple of numericals on glancing angle and angle of deviation produced in a plane mirror. Let us draw the diagram. This is plane mirror. One ray is incident on a mirror surface, and this is your reflected ray. This is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection as per the law of reflection. Now, if I extend back the incident ray, so it will go like this, right? So this, the extended back the ray, and this ray makes an angle with the reflected ray. This angle is known as angle of deviation, delta, and the incident ray makes an angle with the reflecting surface of the mirror. It is known as glancing angle G. So this is our 90 degree. Let us see the formula. This is 90 degree. Then glancing angle G is equal to 90 minus I. And angle of deviation we have learned in our last video. So angle of deviation is equal to 180 minus 2I. How does it come? See, this is I and this is also I, because vertically opposite angles. This is 90 degree, hence this 90 minus I. Correct? So this plus this gives delta. So delta is equal to 90 minus I plus, what is the value of this? This is R, so this is 90 minus R. 90 minus R, and we know 90 minus I plus 90 minus I, because R is equal to I as per the laws of reflection. So it becomes 180 minus 2I. This is your formula. Angle of deviation ka in a plane mirror. So let us see a couple of problems. For example, one ray is falling at, let's say, at a certain angle, and it makes an angle 75 degree with the normal. So reflected rays makes an 75 degree angle with the normal. So find the value of, let's say, 4I plus 2G. We need to check. So we need to find out I, as angle of reflection is equal to 75 degree. Then angle of incidence always 75 degree. Okay, 4I is equal to 4 into 75, 300. Right? Now, what is the angle of G, glancing angle? This is 75. Now, what is the G? 90 minus I. G is equal to 90 minus 75 is equal to 15. Then it comes 4I plus twice G is equal to 4I 300 plus twice G, 2 into 15. So 300 plus 30, 330 degree. This is your glancing angle for 4I plus twice G. Now calculate the angle of deviation. We know the formula, angle of deviation. Delta is equal to 180 minus 2 into I. I is equal to 75. Is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. So this is the deviation of deviation that produces in absence of the plane mirror or with the reflected ray. I have another problem. Let's see. So it is similar to periscope. The angle of incidence is equal to 45 degree, and reflected angle is equal to 45 degree, and it is falling on the second mirror M2. So what would be the angle of reflection when it is going out the ray? So as per the laws of reflection, R2 is equal to 45 degree. Then glancing angle, obviously glancing angle delta is equal to 90 minus 45 is equal to 45 degree. Sorry, this is glancing angle G. 90 minus 45 is equal to 45 degree. And the angle of deviation, if there is no mirror M2, then what will be the angle of deviation? So it will be go like this, right? So angle of deviation, same formula, G is equal to angle of deviation delta is equal to 180 minus 2i. So 180 2 into 45 degree. So 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So can you see as per the diagram? So the angle of deviation is 90 degree. Okay. Yeah. So practice those problem, this kind of problems, and also just comment me in the comment panel. So I'll also share a couple of numericals that will help you understand the concept. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. Tata.